Hello everybody, this is PJ and today we have another LeetCode challenge, number 24th in 30-day LeetCode challenge, and today we're looking at special array with x elements greater than or equal to x. So let's have a look what this problem is about. So we are given an array of nums of non-negative integers. Nums is considered special if there exists a number x, such as that there are exactly x numbers in nums that are greater than or equal to x, and we need to return x if the array is special, otherwise return -1. To better understand this, it's good to look at example as always. So in this occasion we have nums is 3 and 5, the output is 2 because there are two values 3 and 5 that are greater than or equal to 2. And here we have a few more examples that illustrate this, -1 here and here, which means the array nums is not special. So how would we solve this problem? Let's take a look. So what we probably need to do first is just loop through the numbers from 0 to the number of elements of the array. So let's start from writing a loop. Okay, so this is our loop, and for each loop we need to check if the number of elements in the array is greater or equal to the element we currently have. So in each iteration we will filter the array nums and we will leave only numbers greater or equal to our current number in the loop, which is h. Okay, so this function in array, using array filter function, should only leave in this new nums array numbers that are greater or equal to h. And now we just need to check if this number equals h. If the number of elements in the array equals h, it means the array is special if we can return the number. Otherwise we will return -1. Okay, I think that should do it. So let's take a look again at the code before we run it quickly. Okay, let's try to run the code. Okay, and we see for the first one our code has been accepted. Let's use example test cases, all these examples, and test our code for all of these examples. Yeah, and we are good because we have all the right results, the same as the examples. So what we can do now is submit this code and see if it's gonna be accepted. Okay, and we have a success, faster than 100% of PHP online submissions, and use of the memory, which is fine. Okay, so this is the solution to this special array with x elements greater than or equal to x. It is kind of difficult to understand at first what exactly this problem is about, so feel free to pause the video and read it through, or I'll post a link below the video to this LeetCode challenge, and feel free to have a look and even write the code yourself. Also, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below the video. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.